Hey, it's Kurt. I'm feeling good. I just got back from Toronto for Shopify Unite 2018, and I want to go over some things I learned with you. But not the stuff you can get everywhere else. You could go anywhere and find out about the features, the official announcements, the press releases. I want to give you the inside track from what I learned, from who I talked to, and not stepping on anybody's toes, but my perception of the strategy, the roadmap, the vision, the future, the stuff we should all be really excited about. All right, here's the deal. Day one of Unite was really day zero, a pre-announcement day where they took the Plus partners, pushed us into a beautiful, beautiful room at the Globe and Mail Center overlooking Toronto, and gave us the lowdown on the future of the Plus program. And I came away with a few takeaways. Number one, oh my gosh, they figured it out. It was a new thing for them. It took some time, it took some planning, some experimentation, but the thing is cranking. It is a stunning percentage of the company's revenue. It is doing tremendous things for the stores on it, for the brands, and along with that, there are some really exciting features coming out of it that are driving things forward and that are trickling down to Shopify Core. There's a clear focus on two things though. Automation, both in terms for customers and merchants on both sides of the equation, to simplify things, to delegate things, and internationalization. So I'm really, really excited to see that they've worked out the value proposition there and added those features. Day two, just as exciting, more exciting. That was really the big day, the keynote, where they ran through everything. There was a very common theme. We kept talking about, hey, we want to make sure that we're democratizing commerce, right? That we are giving it and taking that power and putting it in the hands of the people. What they didn't say was, listen, Amazon is the 800-pound gorilla, and if we're not careful, they will dominate all of commerce. Look, if people only care about convenience, they're gonna go with Amazon. But if they want a story, if they want to connect with a brand, if they care about it, they're gonna go direct to the brand. And that's what Shopify is enabling small businesses to do. And that's the thing Amazon can't take away from you, is that story. And that's what these tools, Ping, Kit, all these automation features are going to add to Shopify. And that's what I'm really excited about, is hey, I've been telling you this for years now. People buy for people, not brands. Get your story out there, be personal. And that's what they're enabling us to do with these tremendous, tremendous tools. Back in my office, feel good. I got work to do, gonna post some things, share with you, but I'm excited because while I was at Unite, I had my little handheld mic with me. I interviewed a whole bunch of people, including Shopify CEO Toby. It's also, it's gotta be the first time I've touched a Canadian billionaire, or a billionaire in general. Kind of cool. I don't know how many of those there are, but you don't want to miss it. I got more of the inside scoop of what people took away from Unite, their advice from Unite, and a few Shopify execs shared their thoughts with us as well. So I need you to subscribe so you don't miss it. Go to kurtelster.com, sign up for my newsletter, or grab the link from iTunes, and that way you won't miss it. You don't want to miss it. Drops this Tuesday, and we'll share all that sweet, sweet insider Unite info with you.